A raging wildfire in California created its own weather. The line fire broke out in San Bernardino County September 5th. Since then, it has grown to over 26,000 acres. Part of what's fueling the fire threat in Southern California is extreme temperatures. Temperatures have hit triple digits in some areas. As the line fire spread, that heat combined with moisture from burning plants to create rising air, which eventually cooled and condensed to form pyrocumulus clouds. Those pyrocumulus clouds created more than 1,000 reported lightning strikes, plus downdrafts that created strong winds, which made it harder for firefighters to battle the blaze. The line fire is only 5% contained, and Governor Gavin Newsom has declared a state of emergency. The line fire is one of 16 active wildfires burning across California.